Now, this is how you can create a hotspot QR code on iPhone. It is very cool and simple because everyone who wants to connect to your Wi-Fi on your phone can easily just scan it and they're going to be connected instantly. The way that you can set it up is to use a shortcut, which I'm going to link in the description below. So naturally, you need to have the iOS Shortcuts app installed, which is from Apple. It's free to get and you should already have it on your device. Just make sure you do so. Then head over to the description of this video and then download this very specific shortcut, which, as you can see right here, you don't have to look into the technical stuff, but you can see that it just runs all of the commands to generate the QR codes, to get the password, the name and everything. So everything just gets like put together. Now, whenever you run this shortcut, a quick QR code is going to be displayed on the screen, and other people are able to join that network by scanning that QR code. So it's very simple and very useful for a lot of people. Now, this is how it works. I'm pretty sure that there are other ways how you can do that as well, but this is what I find to be extremely just simple and quick. So I recommend everyone to just use that. So if you like this type of video, make sure you hit the thumbs up if it worked, and if you want to see more content and tutorials where I dive directly to the topic, no time wasted, then subscribe to this channel and you never miss another video like this one in the future.